Today, I want to share a strategy for getting more people to buy your books and other products, and that is building an email list. Now, this is a great way to really explode your book sales because you can let people know about new books and content you have coming out, and you can offer any types of specials, free chapters, things like that to get people excited and interested in getting your book. And one of the best ways to actually build your list is to set up a lead magnet. And a lead magnet is something free that you give away, you create, and you don't have to write it yourself. It can be something that you get the rights to use, and you give it away as a gift to get new people to your list. And these can take a lot of different forms. I will say that with the trends now, we are coming to having something a lot more shorter and actionable. Things like cheat sheets, tip sheets, checklists, planner pages, things like that. Things where people can take it and use it, not necessarily a really big book or something like that that just sits on somebody's desktop. And of course, it needs to be fitting into people in your target audience. That might seem obvious, but you really want to make sure that it fits in with what you actually already have. So, for example, if you are putting out content for busy moms, then you really want to make sure your freebie is related to that as well. Having something that would relate to women who aren't moms necessarily probably wouldn't be as good of a fit. So it should be targeted to your audience. It should solve a problem. So maybe something like the busy mom's cheat sheet to gaining an extra hour of time every day or something like that. Again, it needs to be easy to consume. You want to make it short and actionable. Give actionable steps. And you really want to make sure that it's something that you don't have to constantly update. So it should be something that people can use for a while and be out there for a bit. And what you want to do when you get these set up, once you have an idea of what you might want to do, is you want to go ahead and have it where you have some type of call to action in your freebie so people will then take the next step and go check out your book. So you need to decide what you want to do, and a lot of times you can even use part of what your book that you already have as some type of lead magnet. And you want to also include some of your personality, some of your branding, and you want to make it unique. Now, like I mentioned, you can use done for you content like PLR content, but you should make it unique to your targeted audience. So you might want to add in some of your, like an intro, some of your own perspective, things along those lines. You want to make it look nice, attractively designed, and so forth. And then, of course, you then need to start, once it's ready to go, you would need to start putting it out there. So you would set up a page where people can subscribe and then get your lead magnet. And there's a lot of different ways that you can actually promote your lead magnet, but you can try things like a blog, social media, paid advertising. But having a strong lead magnet is really one of the best ways to get more subscribers and then to get buyers and repeat buyers for your book. If you'd like to learn more about this, check out the post below.